Hey everyone, it's Jake Hall. We are here on the show floor. I am here with Vonn Bonnema from
Correct.
Continental Hydraulics and Hydreco Incorporated.
That is correct.
So, what are you guys showcasing at this event?
Well, at this show, what we are intending to do is show the various individual hydraulic components that are needed to do a full-blown system. And we're also showing right here is a power unit that encompasses a lot of those types of components and technology for fluid power.
And that's one thing you're doing to help your customers is there's a lot of different components and systems and I want you to walk through this, some of this from like the safety to the hydraulics to the pump.
Yep.
You know, can you walk us through, you guys are bringing all these different components into a single solution that you can help provide.
Correct. Yeah, we'll get many phone calls. Here's a job that I want to do. What's the best way to do it? And we'll design a system for whatever kind of needs that they actually need. So this right here, just a simple L-shaped type power unit, which provides flooded suction for the pump motor assemblies. So electric motors, a couple of different style pumps here. One of the pumps here, that is going to provide your system flow and system pressure. The other little pump is just for a cooling and filtration loop.
Okay.
So all incorporated into one package. So pressure comes up out of the pump, fills up an accumulator for storage of energy and to keep the system pressures nice and simple. Out of there, we come into the safety type devices that most companies are now needing for their systems.
Yep.
Safety
is critical for a lot of
So we have
machines.
a double redundant monitored valve package here. So it's a kind of a series parallel. So two things have to happen before you can get fluid out to your system. If one of them shuts off for any reason, it'll take all the pressurized stored energy on the system side and dump it back to tank, creating a very safe package. And then we're just showcasing various different types of hydraulic components, from proportional valves with IO link technology, onboard high speed, on-off, regular on-off, and just different sizes and pilots for running the machines then would be connected here and going on out. So real simple type system, but it shows a lot of the capabilities of our industry of fluid power.
And a lot of the different products you bring into one solution.
Yep, that is correct.
Awesome.
Everything all in one.
Vonn, thank you so much for your time.
You're more than welcome. Thanks.